Did you know that in some factories, one car rolls off the production line every 60 seconds? This factory never sleeps, operating 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
In this video, you will explore the inner workings of a nonstop car manufacturing plant.
In this video, you will explore the inner workings of a non-stop car manufacturing plant.
Let's discover how these factories meet massive global demand without stopping.
Producing cars non-stop creates serious challenges in maintaining quality.
Even a small mistake can slow down an entire production line.
Machines must operate flawlessly under constant pressure.
Regular maintenance is critical to avoid costly breakdowns.
Balancing speed, safety, and efficiency is a daily challenge.
Robotics play a key role in assembling car frames with precision. Engines are installed with incredible accuracy by automated systems. Advanced paint robos ensure perfect finishes every time. Interior components are added quickly while maintaining comfort and design.
Artificial intelligence tracks every step of the production process.
This coordination allows the factory to run without interruption.
Thousands of parts come together in perfect harmony.
This moment defines the success of non-stop manufacturing.
Every car is tested to meet strict safety standards. This is how a new car is completed every single minute. A non-stop car factory is a masterpiece of engineering and teamwork.
Technology makes continuous production possible without compromising quality.
Like, comment, and watch our next video on the future of electric car manufacturing.